What's going on everybody? Welcome back to the fourth part of this series of videos in which I have been covering a lot of things on OnePlus Nord, from hidden features to some of the most useful ones. And this might be the last part of this series till OxygenOS 11 update arrives, because nothing new is being added now. So I might begin this series again, but for now, let's focus on this one. So in this video, I'll be sharing some of the features to help you in day-to-day life and might even help you in controlling smartphone addiction and make the most of your time. So let's get into it. So the first one is a bit privacy centric. Well, if you are in a public place for instance or traveling and you encounter some people who have a habit of peeking in your device and you want to log in one of your favorite apps but cannot do so because the password is easily visible as you type, right? So here comes the role of this show passwords feature, and to disable it you can go to settings. Now go to privacy and turn off this show passwords feature. And now you can log in into any app without worrying that someone might peek and see your password, as the input text is not visible to anyone. And well, I find this tiny feature to be of great use in day-to-day life. Now coming to the next one, and this one really helps if you're like watching a video and you want the captions to just pop up without doing anything. So to enable this live caption feature, go to settings. Now go to system and in here choose accessibility from the list. Now scroll down and enable the live caption feature. And now you're all set. So just play the video you want and you will get this floating tile on top with the captions. And the best part is you don't need to disable them. Once you pause the video, they'll go right away. Third feature in this list is Wi-Fi share. So if you are like me and hate to share your Wi-Fi passwords, then you don't need to worry anymore. You can do that quite intuitively without even making an effort. So go to settings. Now go to Wi-Fi network and tap on the Wi-Fi network you wish to share. Now just tap on this share button and a QR code will be displayed. So to connect the other device, simply open Wi-Fi settings and tap on this plus button in front of add network option. Now just scan that QR code and second device will be automatically added to your Wi-Fi. So this is one of my favorite and most used feature in day-to-day life. Fourth feature in this list is Zen mode, and basically this one is well known by most of the users, but I am still sharing it because of the new add-on in this feature. So to enable it, just drag down the notification shade and click on this edit button. Now drag and drop the Zen mode to above list and you are good to go. Now just tap on the Zen mode tile and it will take you into the application itself. So basically this will put your device into a lockdown mode and you will not be able to interact with your phone until the timer is over. So don't blame me if your girlfriend calls you up and you are unable to pick it up. Plus you can even share this room with your friends and focus on your task while helping them in focusing on theirs. And people don't care much about these features, but I think this has benefits in the longer run and will really help you in controlling smartphone addiction, which isn't often discussed. So dive deep into the Zen mode, choose your theme and go back to the 1990s. And the next feature is also associated with smartphone addiction. So this one is called digital well-being and I'm pretty sure most of you must have heard of it. And you can find it in settings on your OnePlus device. This feature basically tells how many notifications you have got in your typical day of usage and how many times you have unlocked your device. Plus you even get a breakdown of how much time you have spent on an app, which is really handy. And if you feel like setting a timer, then you can do that as well. And after you have used an app for a specific time, it will go into a lockdown mode, like we all are in 2020. So the device will give you a warning if you exceed the time, and you can disable that easily in case you still wish to use the app and have no self-control like me. Similarly, you can use focus mode and hide notifications from the applications that distract you the most in your day-to-day life. And this is similar to the work-life mode by OnePlus. In the similar way, we have a bedtime mode, just like the one we have in iOS. So basically this feature turns on Do Not Disturb automatically and turns your screen to black and white, so that it is easy on your eyes in case you use your device in dark for occasional browsing. So just set the time when you wish to start this mode, and you can even choose to turn it on while charging, in case you plug your device before going to bed. So just hit done and you can have a good night without caring about the useless notifications, which is much required in these difficult times. And trust me, you will be able to feel the difference by using all these handy features in day-to-day life. And if you missed out on the last 3 parts, I'll leave a card at the end of this video. Anyways, that was it for now. Do like this video if it helps you out and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. So take care and I'll see you in the next one.